Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the unearthed DNN error that shows an error occurred when unpacking unearthed.dll return an error code, error archive data corrupted decompression fields. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung run, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa run, and then dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na temp, T-E-M-P, ayan, so i-type mo lang yan, and then click mo lang itong OK. And then madadirect tayo dito sa temp settings. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin na i-delete lahat ito. So para ma-delete ka agad lahat, gamitin natin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+E. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung delete dito sa taas. Click mo lang siya. Ayan, okay? So after dito, and then close lang ulit natin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang ulit dito yung run. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa run, and then dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na %temp%. Ayun. So i-type mo lang yung %temp, T-E-M-P, and then %. So no space yan. So one word po yan lahat. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then madadirect tayo dito sa update local temp settings. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan ulit natin itong i-delete lahat. Para ma-delete ka agad lahat, so gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+E para ma-select lahat. And then i-click mo lang dito yung delete. Okay? Ayan. So ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin ito ayusin. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix an DLL return an error code in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.